So guys, meron tayo ha. Hi DJ Big Boy. Time to upgrade your most trusted grooming tool. These are the combs ha. Ito suklay guys. The best comb in the world, Chicago comb. The world's finest comb from the USA is finally here in the Philippines. So guys, we hope you like it. Putang na, ito carbon fiber daw to, Nico.
Carbon, Lodi.
Oh, wow! The world's finest comb. Oh, yan, mga combs. Ito, buksan natin to. Ganda ng packaging niya, Nico, no? Alam mo mga... Uy! Carbon fiber. Ganda! Alam mo, ang ganda. Super nice. Parang ayaw ko nga buksan. Gusto ko siya buksan sa bahay. Ito. Ginagamit madalas ng mga chika baby, no? Habang nagbo-blower, bago kayo umalis, bago kayo kumain sa labas, gaganon-ganon sila, di ba? Ito iba. Alam mo, gaganda yung buhok mo rito. Ayan. Tapos ito, hindi ko alam ano to. Ang bigat na itong comb. Uy! Bakal itong comb. Ito yung comb. Chicago comb. Wow.
Oh.
Ito na hayop. Parang ano to, ruler na comb. Shit. Dun. Oh. Iba tong comb. Ang ganda. Alam mo, gumaganda yung buhok nyo, kakapal yung buhok nyo para sa mga comb na to. Guys, ang daming klase. Meron pa dito yung pang samurai. Ewan ko saan ginagamit to. Ginaganon yan. Yan, dami pa. So guys, popost ko paano mag-order. The world's best comb sa Philippines na Chicago comb.
Hello, my name is Ted Strom. I'm the co-founder of Chicago Comb. I just want to take a minute to thank all of our wonderful customers in the Philippines, and also do a special thanks to our exclusive distributor, Chicago Comb Philippines. Ryan and his team have done a phenomenal job, and as our exclusive distributor in the Philippines, you can get all of our combs at Chicago Comb Philippines. Check them out on Instagram at Chicago Comb Philippines. We really greatly appreciate all the work they've done to introduce our brand to your wonderful and beautiful country. Thanks and have a wonderful day.